Understanding Bowling Shoes, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very specific topic, bowling shoes. You might be wondering, why focus on something so specific? Well, it's not just about the shoes. It's about understanding cultural activities and the language that surrounds them. So, let's step into the world of bowling and learn something new. Bowling shoes are a type of footwear specifically designed for the sport of bowling. Unlike regular shoes, bowling shoes have a unique design with sliding soles on the left and right shoe, which help players glide smoothly during their approach on the bowling lane. This is crucial because it allows for a better performance in the game. They also protect the bowling lanes from damage that regular shoes might cause. When you go bowling, you'll notice that you're required to wear these special shoes. This isn't just a quirky tradition. It's a rule for several good reasons. Bowling shoes maintain the safety of the players by preventing slips and falls. They also help preserve the condition of the bowling lanes, ensuring they remain smooth and undamaged. So, when we talk about bowling shoes, we're also discussing the etiquette and rules of the bowling alley. Understanding the term, bowling shoes, is part of learning the language that revolves around activities. When learning English, it's important to know the context in which terms are used. For example, you might hear phrases like, rent your shoes at the counter, or, please return your shoes after the game. Knowing what bowling shoes are helps you understand these common instructions at a bowling alley. Bowling is popular in many English-speaking countries, and it's a part of the culture. When learning a language, knowing about such cultural activities can be as important as grammar and vocabulary. It helps you to connect with native speakers and understand the culture better. Plus, you can use this knowledge to enjoy a game of bowling yourself. I hope this video has helped you understand not just what bowling shoes are, but also their purpose, the language used around them, and their cultural significance. Remember, language learning is not just about words and rules. It's about understanding the context and culture as well. So, lace up your bowling shoes and enjoy your English learning journey. See you in the next video.